In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the ATR Trailing Stop Loss strategy for trade entry in TradingView. This strategy is a fantastic tool for traders looking to manage risk by dynamically adjusting stop loss levels based on market volatility. Let's start by heading over to TradingView, which is a popular platform used by traders for chart analysis and strategy development. Once you're there, you'll want to open the chart for the asset you're interested in trading. For today's demonstration, we've selected a demo asset. After you've opened your chart, direct your attention to the top panel where you'll find a button labeled Indicators. Click on this to bring up the Indicators and Strategies window. This is your gateway to a plethora of tools and custom scripts that you can use to enhance your trading decisions. In the search bar of the Indicators and Strategies window, simply type in ATR. This stands for Average True Range, which is a measure of volatility. What we're particularly interested in is the ATR Trailing Stop Loss indicator. Go ahead and click on it. This will add the ATR Trailing Stop Loss to your chart. Now, before you customize anything, the tool will prompt you to place the initial stop on your chart. If you're planning a short trade, click above the current market price, and if it's a long trade you're planning, click below it. This step is crucial as it sets the starting point for your trailing stop, helping you secure potential gains while managing risk. Next, let's adjust the settings to tailor the indicator to your strategy. You can do this by right-clicking on the indicator line on your chart and selecting Settings. Here, you have a few parameters to fine-tune. First, the ATR length, which defines how many periods the average true range will consider. Adjusting this allows you to smooth or sensitize the indicator's responsiveness to price changes. Then there's the multiplier, which essentially scales the stop distance relative to the ATR. A higher multiplier gives you a wider stop and is useful in volatile markets, whereas a lower number will keep it tighter, which might work better in less volatile conditions. A multiplier of 2 or 3 is a common starting point used by traders. Don't forget to select the source as well, where you can choose options like high, low, or close, depending on which price point you prefer the ATR to base its calculations on. Once these settings are in place, the indicator will visualize your trade entry with color-coded lines. A green line usually signifies a long trade, while a red line indicates a short position. This visual aid is incredibly helpful for at-a-glance understanding of your stop-loss strategy on the price chart. And that's all there is to it. You've now set up the ATR Trailing Stop Loss strategy in TradingView, providing you with a dynamic risk management tool that adapts to market volatility. Keep experimenting with different settings to find the combination that works best for your trading style. Happy trading!